Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of high-performance SUVs with none other than the 2025 BMW X6M. Buckle up because this beast is redefining luxury and speed in the SUV segment. Let's talk performance first. Under the hood, the X6M roars with a mighty V8 engine, likely packing over 600 horsepower. Imagine accelerating with that kind of power, it's exhilarating. Paired with BMW's advanced all-wheel drive system, called xDrive, and an 8-speed automatic transmission, you get rapid acceleration and seamless gear changes. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the suspension is specially tuned to give you sharp handling without compromising on ride comfort. Now, onto design, and trust me, the X6MS styling will turn heads everywhere. The exterior boasts a sleek, coupe-like silhouette that screams sophistication, while the muscular stance and aggressive front fascia make it clear this SUV means business. Check out those large air intakes and BMW's signature kidney grille up front, pure aggression. And at the back, a sporty diffuser and quad exhaust tips that emphasize its performance pedigree. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious cabin crafted with top-tier materials. From sporty accents to high-tech features, everything is designed to elevate your driving experience. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while the massive touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected with features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, with a premium audio system, your road trips just got a whole lot better. BMW didn't stop at comfort and entertainment. The X6M is loaded with cutting-edge driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced parking aids are just a few of the technologies designed to make your drive safer and stress-free. So, what do you think about the 2025 BMW X6M? It's the perfect fusion of high performance, luxury, and advanced tech. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.